So, if your lips are making a negative impact on your self-esteem, you can include some of the simple and natural ingredients in your daily beauty routine to get rid of the dark and dull complexion of your lips quickly. You may also need to detox your lips for a while, so avoid any lip makeup for at least a month and use only the natural moisturizers to keep them hydrated. So, here I, Mohini Makeovers, present some of the home remedies to lighten the color of your lips quickly. The first method is use a honey sugar scrub. Put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and add 1 tablespoon of honey in it and mix it well. Apply this scrub all over your lips with your finger and light massage it. For a minute, leave it for few minutes and then wash. Do this every alternate day to get quick results. The second method is use almond oil and lemon. Now for this what you have to do is squeeze the juice from half a lemon into 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Mix the solution and massage it on your lips. Leave it overnight. Do it every day to get quick results. Moreover, apart from these two remedies, you can also apply sunscreen before going out on your lips and remove lip makeup before going to bed. Make sure that you are drinking a lot of water and cut down on smoking and alcohol to get quick results of the above remedies. So, these are few of the tips which have been shared by Mohini Makeovers to make your lips look more pink and very bright. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video then please give a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.